bad weather yesterday while we were having to move everything and evacuate Morgan Hill. It didn't start raining until like we were in bed already. So that's cool, because check this out. This weather is so yucky.
Is this it?
It's hella rainy. We're looking for a general store that's just outside. Yeah, this is it. We wanted to check out this general store that's near San Benito. Yeah, we're gonna check it out. Alright, we just went into this place and it's super cute inside. There's a dining room. There was a dining room in there, a small menu, a consignment little area. It looked like a thrift store, sort of. And the place was really big. And of course, you know, they had like sodas and chips and stuff like that. That's a cool little spot. I like finding spots like that. Small country road stores.